We walk into the laundry. The laundry is such an important part of the house, right? And the owner, Sarah, wanted to have something very happy, wallpaper, which is more than a typical laundry room, but we love it. What a beauty of a laundry room, right? Now we walk into one of the most important parts of the house. This is a great home gym with a sauna built in. The owner, she practices sports a lot, so she wanted to have her own gym with this particular floor, specially done for weights. And something that we can see here is that we have two electric panels. This was such a complicated issue to get it approved because there was only one panel in this home on the other side. So we have a registered place that we pull all the cables throughout the entire house and the garage. And you can see what a large electrical panel for a single family home. So look at this, right? A real Sunlighten Signature sauna, infrared. What a luxury.